Hey guys, welcome back. So I end up using this planner die one more time. So let me show you real quick. Okay, so this is the one I did in my previous video, which I turned it into a box, which it came out really cute, but I had to use her again. And this time I did like a little vanity set. So that is your mirror right there. I did two little drawers that slide. And then in the back, I did two little milk cartons. So you have 4 boxes right here, but she is just adorable. And this die, there's so many ways you can use this die. Again, it does not have to be only a planner die. Like, I think this is so cute. You leave it on your desk. Look at that. Isn't it adorable? And the drawers, they open the same thing as the boxes in the back. So everything came out really cute. It's perfect for your craft room. It's like I'm trying to show it right here. Look how cute. And it cuts out so easy. It's perfect. You have all these layers. I think it came out really, really cute. I added some flowers with beads. Right there says, "Hello, darling." The back says, "Happy little moments." What do you guys think? I think it came out so freaking cute. I love it. So once again, you could use it as a box, little gable box in the back, or you can still use it as a planner die if you like. I just feel like it looks so much cuter in like a box. And this on your craft room is going to look adorable. Okay, guys, again, I'll put the link to this die in the description bar, and I'll talk to you guys later. And this is it for this die. Okay, I just wanted to show you because this one came out so freaking cute that I love it. All right, bye.